So today on When I Have My Cafe, I'm going to be making you a savory flan. So I have to tell you that flans used to always be savory, but today flan is now associated with something sweet. Flan is basically a flattish dish, and hence this is my flan dish, and inside this is what I'm going to be making for you: a beautiful, tasty rice vegetable flan. Oil, that's about 2 tablespoons. Butter, garlic. I know I always put garlic like I'm avoiding vampires. Onions, salt, zucchini, a little carrot, and red pepper. The lovely Swiss chard, some chicken salami in one of the rice flan, a little cream, a little nutmeg, a tiny pinch of pepper, rock salt, whisk, a little haldi, zeera powder. So what we have here is some pre-cooked rice, or it's day-old rice. I'm going to mix all these vegetables into the rice. I am just sauteing some palak. You can add a little butter to this and just saute it with butter and a little salt and pepper. Add the palak to the rice, mozzarella cheese, chicken salami. What I've done is dropped a little of the chicken salami onto this flan. This is a complete vegetable flan, and this is got chicken in it. What I've also done is put a few blobs of butter on it, and this is now going to go into the oven at 180 degrees for 25 minutes. And that's how it's supposed to sound. It's supposed to be crisp on the top and nice and soft on the inside. I think it's really lovely. It is so tasty. It's very good. Now, when I have my cafe, I'll make tiny pieces of this and I'll give it to a table like that.